In biopharmaceutical manufacturing, contamination control is essential. Two key processes work together to maintain a state of control: environmental monitoring, or EM, and the Disinfectant Efficacy Study, or DES. Environmental monitoring provides continuous data on microbial and particulate levels in the cleanroom. It identifies excursions, objectionable organisms, and trends over time. When EM results show growth or exceed limits, teams investigate root causes and evaluate cleaning logs, activity, and historical data. The Disinfectant Efficacy Study validates that disinfectants work effectively on the facility's surfaces and against microbes commonly found in that environment. DES evaluates a range of surfaces, organisms, disinfectants, and contact times. It's essential when new organisms appear, facility changes occur, or cleaning processes are modified. EM and DES influence each other, like two gears in a system. EM data informs which disinfectants should be challenged, while DES supports the effectiveness of cleaning programs that EM later verifies. By using EM and DES together, facilities can detect problems early, improve cleaning processes, and ensure regulatory compliance. When performed consistently, EM and DES together help ensure sterile and aseptic environments remain safe, controlled, and ready for high-quality product manufacturing. Detect problems early, improve cleaning processes, and ensure regulatory compliance using EM and DES together. Connect with our regional teams.